Hello, good people. This is Sherry with another video. You know, I'm on a tangent using my foils. So what I'm going to do now is to show you what you can do with your leftover foils, your foils that you have already used. Never throw them away. I keep mine in this folder with, all my used foils, and I'm going to show you how you can reuse them. I'm going to be using some Mod Podge, and I'm going to just spread it all over this piece of black fabric. So I'm gonna brush it on. Oops, well, I'm gonna brush it on as soon as I find my brush. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of my Mod Podge in here. I don't want to use too much, but I need to be able to get it on my brush. So I'm just gonna brush it all over my fabric like this. I normally use a stencil. Oh, my brush broke. I've been using stencils, but this method, I will use the ones that I did use a stencil with. The ones that you'll see me use have already been used with a stencil. So I'm going to put this on, and then I'm going to let it dry. And then once it's dried, we're going to lay down these stencils. We're going to lay the foil down on here and just see what kind of design or pattern we come up with. I have no idea how this is going to look, how it's going to work out. So we will see together. All right. So, I'm really impatient and excited when I'm doing this kind of stuff. So I'm going to use my heat gun to help this to dry so we can get going with it, with the experiment. All right, let's see here. Just about got it covered. All right, let me dry this and then I'll be back. I dried it, but I want to put a little bit more Mod Podge on here just to make sure. Now I'll dry it again. Okay, it's dry. I'm going to put it in my little protector. And now I'm going to just lay my used foil sheets on here. That one, and this one. Ooh, I love that one. Well, I love them all. Gosh, I don't have room for a lot of them. Let's see here. What else can you see all of these that I have to choose from that I want? What kind of design can I use? Do I have any little pieces? Okay, let's see here. Looks like I just got big pieces. I might have to cut something. Maybe I'll cut this one to give me some small pieces. So lay that one there, and part off. And put this one up here. And I need another little piece for there. See what happens. Okay, all right, let's see what we have here. Let's see, I'm gonna turn my light down a little bit and see. Okay, drum roll, drum roll. We'll see what happens. See what we have here. Oh, I wanted all of it to come off. Still some, you know, you can see there's still some gold on there. I'm intending, well, okay, all right, okay, not bad so far. Let's take this piece off. Let's take this piece off. Okay. Okay. All right. Here. Ooh, yes. Ooh, yes. So you can see you can use every bit of your color on your foil. Let's see, how do I get to the end of this one? Let's see here. Okay, here we go. All right. Hey, turned out pretty good. We used up almost all the gold off the foil, which was the goal to use up this one here. Let's see, where was this one? Down here. Yeah, it could have come, and you, I don't know if you can tell, but this is a little bit lighter than the rest of it because all of the gold didn't come off. So I don't know, you know, what made the difference there. But hey, this is all right. This is all right. Love it, love it, love it. Now, do I have time to make something with this? Do I have time to make something with this? I'm going to see if I can make something really, really quick. On Tuesdays, we have a live subscriber chat. And if you haven't subscribed, I invite you to subscribe. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. It would help me greatly if you would. Let's see if this little glue will hold to start. Okay, so I started right here. Okay, so I'm just going to wrap this really quickly. Let's see. I may not even have to turn the edge under. It looks like it's going to look pretty good. So I just wrap it and I pull it tight. Oops. Wrap it. And pull it and wrap it. Wrap it. Oh man, this looks almost like leather. Ooh, I like the look of this. Okay, so my piece here, I'm gonna have to glue it, use my glue stick and press it down, pull it tight. Now I'll start my other piece just inside here. The same thing with my glue stick. Okay. I just got back from my trip to the Bahamas with my family. So I was just itching to get back home to make some make some videos. Okay. Wrapping that around. Oh boy, I just love the way that looks. Oh man, I got this little piece sticking up here where I didn't cut it quite right. Gonna clip that off. Clip. Come on. Clip, clip, clip. Okay. Now, starting again. Pulling it tight. Bringing it around. Oh man, I'm gonna have to cut another piece. Pulling it tight so that piece lays down flat. The other piece doesn't lay down flat, but it's covered when I pull this one here. Pulling it tight. All right, good people, this is what we have. This is Sherry with another video. And as always, be blessed.